Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial for purchasing a micro-credential for the Aurora Alternative Principal Endorsement Program. My name is Arlin Peebles, the Ed Leaders Network Director for the Illinois Principals Association, and I'm happy to welcome you to this tutorial. We're going to walk through each step to get your micro-credentials purchased and get you on your way to earning that alternative principal endorsement. The first place you want to go to is edleadersnetwork.org. As you can see, I've got that in my address bar up here at the top. Then you'll hover over micro-credentials and click on the last option down there called the Aurora Principal Endorsement Program. This will take you to a brief description and explanation about the program. You can watch a video developed by us here at the Illinois Principals Association with Aurora University. And then down at the bottom, you will see the 14 micro-credentials that you'll need to purchase to earn your alternative principal endorsement. You'll also see some steps down here to making your micro-credential purchase. The first step is if you are a current ELN user, you can verify your account. Second step is if you do not have an ELN account, here's a link to create one. Third step is to purchase the micro-credential of your choice from the list up above. And then finally, check your email for access to the micro-credential portal. Please allow 2 business days for that email to come through after your purchase. Let's start at step 1, verify your account. You may already have an account existing with the Illinois Principals Association. You can find it by entering your IEIN number at the top, selecting your state, or putting your work email address into the box for email. When you search, that's going to bring us to this next account page that says a record was found matching your email address. So here I am, Arlin Peebles, and I can go to login now. I just want to pause here for a moment to emphasize that if you are currently employed at a public school or district, you most likely have an Ed Leaders Network account already. So be sure to try your IEIN number and also your work or school email address to make sure you're not duplicating yourself in the system. If after you've searched for your IEIN number and your work or school email address and you do not have an Ed Leaders Network account, then come back to the 4 steps and click on option 2. If you do not have an ELN account, click the link to create one. Then I will put in my information, everything that's required. Make sure that all looks good. Click continue. And now it's going to say, please check the verified address to save if you accept the changes. All that looks good. I'm going to click save and continue. All right, and now it's asking me to set up a password in the database. So I would do that here. And click continue. And my new visitor registration is complete. I can mark that as done. And that's going to log you in to the database. The next place you want to go back to is the micro-credentials at the top. That's going to take you to the micro-credential library. You'll want to hover again over the main navigation and select that Aurora Principal Endorsement Program. If you scroll down, you'll get back to the 14 micro-credentials you need to complete the alternative principal endorsement. We're going to start with driving, vision, and mission. This tells you about the professional development credit you can earn, the overview, the essential outcomes, and then, of course, the requirements for earning this digital badge. Once I'm ready to purchase, click on the big purchase button at the bottom. That's going to take you back into the database. So make sure you've got the correct micro-credential in your shopping cart and click the Add to Cart button. That's going to put it in your shopping cart and you can check out with the button at the top. Verify your customer information is correct, your billing information is correct, and down at the bottom you will select a credit card option for paying for your micro-credential. Insert your name, the credit card number, expiration date, security code, and when you click continue, the purchase will be complete. If you have any trouble with these steps, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our email address is support@edleadersnetwork.org. Thank you so much and enjoy the Aurora Alternative Principal Endorsement Program.